You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly the name of this American singer-songwriter. If you want to learn more confusing names from music, in particular celebrities, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Yes, she's known as Demi Lovato. Demi Lovato. Although her real name is full name is Demetria Demi Lovato. Demetria Lovato, Demi Lovato. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.